Gotta tell you. I have to tell her that I lost the job. We came a long way. She's my wife. I married her. She didn't marry a paycheck. There's something that I need to tell you.
This better be good.
It's about the company.
What about the firm?
It went bankrupt.
How many times did I tell you? How many times did I tell you?
I know you told me. You warned me about it. But I'ma fix this. I'ma fix it.
You're gonna fix it? How are you gonna fix it?
I'll see how can I fix it.
No, this is not
I know
gonna
that
work.
you pick up all the messes, but this time
No.
I'ma come with something else. You
No,
know?
this is not gonna work for me at all. I have to pay Lita's school fees, the bond. There's so many things that I need to pay for. And you're gonna tell me you're gonna fix this? When are you gonna fix it?
I know I messed up. But I'm gonna fix this. I'ma see how I'm gonna fix it.
I need a man. That's what I need. Somebody
still
I
that
can
man.
rely on.
I'm still that man that you married.
I'm giving you 7 days. You need to do something. I left. We had something very proper. We had the best life. I left that for us, for you. We always have to follow your dreams and what you want.
I know, baby. But I know that I'ma fix this.
No.
Just give me some time.
You always gonna fix what?
Every
You
place
fix
that I
something,
made.
I have to pick up the slack. I don't think that's gonna work for me.
No.
I'm giving you 7 days. 7 days. I need a man. That's what I need.
I'm still that man that I'm in.
No. This is not gonna work for me at all. I need you to do something quick and fast.
I will see what I can do.
Yeah. I did not know you qualify for a garden boy. I mean, you can't be sitting at my house eating my food thinking I'm going to feed 3 people. Oh, no.
Oh, I see. Is that why you fired the garden boy?
Of course, what were you thinking? Zamani. Ha!
Honey.
What?
You lost compassion. I just lost my job.
Sir, I'd like you to take it easy, man.
Take it easy on what? Ah. You know, you say I must take it easy.
I think we have had enough.
Had enough?
Yeah,
Now what?
of drink.
Hey, give me some more, man. Are you married?
No, not married, sir.
Yeah. You better not get married.
Oh.
Yeah. You better get married. Long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
How are things going?
Things are bad, right? Mine's getting bad.
Can you share a little bit?
Yeah, you remember the company?
Yes, I remember very well.
It's all head down, just and girl. Yo, you see them guy right there?
No, relax, bro. It's not even talking about it.
He's laughing at me, you see?
No, just relax.
Come on, man.
Relax.
Yes, I do remember that time.
Yeah, man, I can see he's talking about on the phone. Yeah, come on, man.
Oh,
Come
Yes.
on. You think this is funny?
What's up, man? What's wrong with you?
You know what I've lost?
What's this about, man?
You know what I've lost?
Jeez, man, can't you see I'm on the phone?
Come on, you're talking about me on the phone.
Man,
Come on.
jeez, man. Show some respect.
I'm sorry, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
I'm really sorry.
This guy will kill somebody.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Zamani, what the hell are you doing?
Really? This is just supper.
You've never cooked for the past 11 years. What are you trying to do? Impress me?
I'm trying.
Put that food away. You're always wasting my money. Please? This is not going to work for me. And don't let me repeat all that.
I want to do this next song for all of y'all who feel like you want maybe you lost a loved one. Maybe you feel bad about something. You wake up and you feel like
Really, you're making a circus out of this place.
I think, but anyway, the queen is here, so yeah, we can. You order for me a wine.
Just for you.
Will be better, not a wine. Classic ancient story. Really, we're having a problem. And this, what do you think of yourself?
Guys.
Do you know how much are these shoes?
Guys, shush. Okay, guys. The reason we're here today is because of Khadi's situation.
Oh, we have a situation. I thought we were here to have some drinks.
Khadi, what's up, girl?
First of all, I just want to say thank you for coming today. I know it was short notice. I just felt I needed my ladies, somebody I can talk to, open up to. It's been months. So, yeah. I don't know if you guys heard. A man lost his job. Yeah, it's been tough on me for the past few months.
So sorry about it.
He did. And the one that he just had went bankrupt.
Oh, Khadi. Oh.
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
It's been I've warned him so many times. I've asked him, don't leave that job. He left the previous job he had. And the job he had been in went bankrupt.
Oh.
And I've been taking care of the bills.
The bills?
Yeah, the bills. It's transportation, school fees, the bond. You know it goes. Yeah, it's
For
all
girls,
business.
come on. What are you telling me? Are you the man of the house?
It seems like it.
No, you can't be doing that.
Yeah.
You can't. She needs a man.
A man?
Yes.
Yeah.
Get yourself a baller.
She just need a man. That's
Really?
all. We can sit here and pray.
A girl
and
is
say
drowning
sorry.
here. It's a moment to support your man.
What do you mean?
Oh, you need to support your man, girl.
Support him with what?
You need
After
to
doing,
You need to show
paying
him
all the bills, what is left?
A girl needs a break. Something will come up.
No, she cannot wait. Time is money.
No, guys.
All she needs is a man.
Girl, you need a provider man, okay?
No, I think
That's what you need.
you become right.
Ladies, I couldn't help but notice, because I'm wondering, what are these beautiful ladies doing here all by themselves? But then it's none of my business, right? So I have to apologize. What can a man do to apologize? It's a restaurant, and I can afford you. So what can I say? Order anything that you want. It's on me.
Okay, Shapompo girls.
You don't even know him.
Do I have to?
And
Really?
excuse
No.
me, to the lady that caught my attention. Call me. Oh, at least think about it. It's a beautiful day.
Alicia, what's wrong with you? What are you doing? No, that's a really handsome man.
So?
I thought he was here for me.
Yes. Girl. Be careful. It's just to that.
I think this is my big break.
I think I need to call this guy. He has been sending me messages. I just want to call Mzamani. Mzamani, how are you, my brother? And how did you go the other night?
I've arrived safely, Tom. And thank you for checking up on me.
You've been sending me messages.
Yeah, man, because I want you to help me so that I can find another job. Not that I ain't got no job.
I will see what to do.
Yeah, man, things are tough, man. Even my woman, she doesn't want me to touch her. We sleep different rooms, you know.
That's bad.
Yeah, it's been months. And she also told me that Lita is not my son. You know how painful is that?
Relax, man. That boy is your duplicate.
Do you think so?
I know so.
No, man, thank you for calling me.
It's a pleasure.
We'll talk soon. Bye.
Talk about it under the moonlight. I've been waiting for this moment to rain.
You're such a wonderful man. I wish I was married to you.
You know what? I wish I was able to be myself. You're such a
Zamani, what are you doing back?
Who's this man in my house?
Let me guess. Ready? I guess this is your so-called man, Zama.
I'm Zamani!
Okay.
Zamani, I don't even know why you're acting like this. This man is paying our bills.
I think you two need to talk.
What is he looking for in my house?
He's paying our bills. What do you expect? You're not doing anything for us.
I don't mean to cause problems. I was just on my... No, Zama. Look, you don't want to go to jail now. And then I remain with your wife. So I'm on my way out.
What is happening?
Zamani, what do you think you're doing? That man is paying our bills. Lita isn't even your child.
Damn this woman.
Zamani. Who is this woman?
Sorry I couldn't be the father I should be. I had to go.
Yes.
I couldn't continue living in this place I call hell. Breathe out.
Thought I was gone. Still right here. 2004. Now, come on, Mokka, break it down for me. I remember when we first met, baby. Sweet love. Kisses and romance was all the games used to play. Champagne on your body's all about making sweet love all night long. Then we fell so deep in love. Didn't went well between us until your dad passed away. Then you inherited the wealth that changed the way. Looked at me, oh, roses, ice cubes and the candlelight turned into cold boring love. Your pride couldn't why. So because you're a little bit richer, now that you can afford to pay your bills. Tell me why. Can't believe your fancy cousin made you late to see my face. Now it's like that now. So because you're a little bit richer, now that you can afford to pay your bills. Now that you can afford. Can't believe your fancy cousin made you late to see my face. Now it's like that now. Came over to your house, knocked and knocked, no response. Used my spanking, I saw you playing with your boo. Clap, clap, honey bun, I love your touch. I'm so glad that I found you. Playing games we used to play. Can't believe all this time I lived a lie. Your love was fake. Thought all that mattered was you and I, but you used me just to face shake, shake. Bring your arms around my hips, playing with another man, playing games we used to play. Tell me why. So because you're a little bit richer, now that you can afford to pay your bills. Can't believe your fancy cousin made you hate to see my face. Now it's like that.
Think about it.